Okay.
As in 1947 during freedom struggle, as we have seen, there were like several struggles happen from the side of people, even statesmen, politicians, like non-cooperation movement, civil disobedience movement. You know, somewhere, Mahesh, I read that the people, one who were struggling in Marathwada, so even they have formed some sort of, non-cooperation to the Nizams and Razakars. I read it somewhere. You know, this whole Marathwada is occupied with Sindhi trees. There were Sindhis. As we said, Afu, Ganja, even, the bidi leaves. So these were sold in a more quantity. So many trees were there. You know what people of Marathwada did? So they started, first of all, they started cutting all the trees and they started dumping into the godowns. They denied give this tree to the Nizams, and because of this thing, you know what happened? The revenue stopped. The Nizams used to get the revenue from these Sindhis. Most of the military payments were happening due to these Sindhis. And there in freedom struggle, that 1947, what we did there for the gate of freedom of India. So there we have means like called up civil disobedience movement and non-cooperation movement. Here in Marathwada, what we did, we have started Tadi movement. Yes, so that was a Tadi movement. Tad was, it was like an oak tree, where people used to cut the tree, and throughout that, the Tadi, it means some sort of wine used to make, and that is being sold into the market. And this is how people slowly, they started coming, on the street, and they started alarming against whom? The Razakars as well as whom? The Nizams. And ultimately, so the Tadi movement, as well as somewhere even I read that the people who were into the districts like Beed, Parbhani, even somewhere in Jalna, Latur, these all people, with that lakhs of people, they thronged themselves, near about 10 to 20s there, they were thronged themselves on the road without eating anything. And this is being said, very terrific. More than 100 people, they were crushed by those are called as Tangas, Gudagadi, by whom? The Razakars. And ultimately by doing this, such a terrific condition, under such a terrific condition. So somewhere, the beings of the hopes, so lit somewhere, and that is being done by whom? The freedom fighters, as you say, Govind Bhai Shra,
Yes.
Pansare. Even these were only not the people. If you could turn out the pages of history, you will find out Anandi Bai Sherke. As she was called as, Jhansi ki Rani of Marathwada. So she belongs to Barsi. Yes, even rather than this, you may be knowing Dashrath Deshpande. He was also the person when he have contributed a lot. So after 13 months and 2 days, ultimately Marathwada became free.
So you said it very rightly, and all these people like Swami Ramanand Tirth ignited the minds of the people. They awakened them.
Obviously.
They pushed them into the struggle. So common person was there on the street and fighting for his state. So this was something great thing about India.
Yes, whatever all the freedom fighters were there. The same time, Indian government also wanted to integrate this part in Indian Union. So the Indian government has taken one action. So this action is known as Operation Polo. Okay, and this Operation Polo, our Home Minister in those days, that person is known as Iron Man, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. One who has taken the action, and within 5 days, this entire Marathwada region or Nizam region, which was burned.
There is, very interesting incident I could remember. When Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, he had been to Junagadh. And there he had interaction with the king. What is my age? He said to the king, what is my age? So the king said, it may be near about 60, 65. Then he said, what is your age? He said, maybe 40, 45. So in that phrase means, I am your father. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel said, I am your father. Then he said, yes sir, ultimately you are my father. Then you have to listen up, father, immerse yourself into India. So this is, very interesting incident which had happened. Indirectly has threatened to Junagadh king that if you will not emerge, then as a fatherly person, I have right to make you, correct. I have right to make you correct. As he has, made even the Kashmir king correct. So in the same way, he has done the same. He has done everything to immerse these all the states. Like 564, I think so. 564 states were there. So
65.
these three people were not ready, I think.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I think I have little kunchum knowledge.
Yes,
Yeah.
September 1948, this Marathwada region emerged in India, and we got Marathwada people independence on that day.
Such a nice information. Where are two those girls have won? They were also
Yes,
speaking.
yes,
Oh.
So, no,
Thanks a lot. You have given such a nice information on Marathwada Mukti Sangram. Today I come to know, when the Marathwada got, like independent.
Even many things which we all spoke, we were unaware. So that is also interesting to hear. Thank you. We explored a good knowledge about this day, particularly even comprising with Hyderabad and Marathwada. We come to know the realities, the truths which were happened at that moment.
And most of the things is, those were like unread, not spoken. So
Yes.
most of the things we
Yes.
can get this information through even people as well.
Exactly.
Yeah, like our forefathers, maybe a
Yes,
granny,
yes,
grandpa, they might be there into the scenario. Yeah.
Even
So-
I would like to tell you one more point. Even at Hyderabad, we never used to, in our schools, we never used to celebrate this particular day. And I was fortunate. Like I have realized many things when I started to read things. I was feeling like why didn't we celebrate? Being in Hyderabad, we also had got freedom at this day, and why we are not celebrating? So this is good point that which I have witnessed in Latur especially, that we are celebrating it and we are enlightening the child knowledge also
Yes.
regarding this.
So at last, then we should have to, wish ourselves as well as the people of whole Marathwada and entire country that happy Marathwada Mukti Sangram Day.
Thank you.